What is the main difference between top-up and refresher training?
Sure, easy one. So if you've done the 2015 qualification and you've never done the top-up, you have to do the top-up. That's for people who had either never done the 2021 qualifications, so they didn't do the course after April 2021. That's for door supervisors and security officers only. CCTV does not have a refresher, so that's important to note as well. So if you've done the course after 2021 April, or you've done a top-up course already, then the refresher's for you. So main differences between top-up and refreshers is when you originally did your course, and what's the difference in the course. On the door supervision refresher, the difference is spiking's brought in, searching's brought in, physical intervention is the same as it was before. We've also got another element, which is keeping vulnerable people safe, which is originally in the door course, and that's brought in as well. And then on the security officer side, again, similar. It doesn't have spiking in it because that's the nighttime economy stuff, but it's got searching and the practical assessment for searching. First aid also at the same time needs to be redone at both of those. So the SIA is aware that you've got a valid first aid certificate. So you either have to bring a first aid certificate with you to show that you've got it, or you have to do the first aid training, which is the emergency first aid at work training that happens first thing on both of those courses.
Brilliant. And if you do have any questions about refresher training, you can leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you.